welcome to Monday's Assembly. Today is the 14th of September, and this will be our first full week of school. And I'm really pleased to see all of you here today. Now, if you remember last week, I told you that this year is our year of being brave, and that we're going to be talking a lot about being brave. Today we're going to be talking about moral bravery. Now, moral bravery has a lot to do with kindness and how we're kind and take care of others, particularly if something has happened to them or people are not being very nice to them. I have a lovely story to share with you today about this. Let's have a read.
Be kind. Be kind. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday. All over her new dress. Everyone laughed. I almost did too. But Mom always tells me to be kind, so I tried. I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple is my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. While I painted, I thought of Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin, let her borrow my sweatshirt, spilled my juice on so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyway? Maybe it's giving, making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi who lives alone, letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes. Someone might win races with them too. Maybe it's helping putting dirty dishes away or cleaning after Otis, our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Maybe it's paying attention, telling Desmond I like his blue boots, asking the new girl to be my partner, listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle or saying thank you, bless you. My mom says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. Hey, Carla. What's new, Omar? Good afternoon, Rabbi. Being kind can be hard too, even when you know what to do. Teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. And sticking up for someone when other kids aren't kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class and paint this picture for her because I know she likes purple too. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join small things other people do, and together they grow into something big. Something really big, so big that all our kindness spill out of our school and into and throughout the town. Travel across the country and go all the way around the world. Right back to Tanisha and me, so we can be kind again and again and again.
Isn't that a lovely story? And I really like how it talks about how kindness that you give out into the world can come back. And we're not just kind to people in our own school or in our own families, but we show kindness to everyone that we have come in contact with. And that's really important. When you're kind, it makes you smile, and it makes others smile as well, and it helps them to feel braver themselves. So this week, really work hard on being kind to the people around you. And if someone is not being very nice, not being kind, or being mean to someone, make sure you tell an adult straight away. It's really important. We want to help each other to make good choices, and being kind is a good choice. Now it's time for us to review some of our sign language signs that we had last week. Do you remember them? We have hello, goodbye, good morning, good afternoon. Now, today we're going to learn some more signs that I think are going to be very important in being kind. And it's some manners words. And the first one is thank you. Thank you is an easy one. It's thank you. Thank you. You want to give it a go? Give it a go. Thank you. Now you try on your own. Thank you. Now the next one is please, and it's one that we should be using a lot as well when we're talking about manners. Please. Very simple. It's the same as saying thank you. Please. Please. So, please, can you help me? So you give it a go. Please. Have a go now on your own. Under the sun. So we have thank you and we have please. Now we have you're welcome. And you're welcome is another easy one. It's you're welcome. You're welcome. Try it. You're welcome. One more time. You're welcome. Have a go on your own. So we have thank you, please, and you're welcome. I think those are really important words that we'll be able to use this week as we're showing kindness to each other and using very good manners. So we know what our challenge is this week. Thank you. Please. You're welcome.
Have a good week, everyone. Bye for now.